Hello, my name is Mona Hyatt and I'm the founder and CEO of Nexus Digital Technology. The year 2020 will go down in history across the globe as we saw the healthcare sector respond to COVID-19. Prevention-based health and wellbeing models are needed more than ever and time is running out. Diabetes, heart disease, lung disease and cancer will account for over 50% of the global health spend, yet all conditions could be addressed proactively. Additionally, depression is the leading cause of disability globally, heightened even more by the impact of COVID-19. That is why I created Nexus Digital Technology. Our award-winning model is a prevention-based solution that empowers you to take control of your health and well-being by providing you with all the relevant information in one place. We have a non-prescriptive approach. For example, we don't suggest that you need to walk 10,000 steps a day. Instead, you decide what is right for you. We also acknowledge that we all have diverse backgrounds and therefore have diverse needs, so we have personalised our model to suit you as an individual.
So you're probably wondering, how does it work? You will have access to our health and wellbeing survey that supports you to define your wellbeing goals through our 8 pillars of wellness: physical health, emotional health, financial, spiritual, environmental, intellectual, social, and sexual health. We summarise your physical and mental health data drawn from self-entered activity, wearables, and connected apps. Our app is intuitive and produces algorithms that recommend personalised services just for you. We then connect you with an online health coach who will support you to start and maintain your journey and review your goals. Our health coaches act as your wellness partner to access services, products, brands, telemental health support, and educational tools to improve your wellbeing and increase your knowledge about your health. You'll also have access to our Nexus community, which connects you to like-minded people and provides you with ongoing peer support. We track your progress against your self-defined goals, as we believe that by gathering this data, this will inspire you to make sustainable changes to your lifestyle.
To date, I've invested £350,000 into Nexus, which has enabled us to mobilise an NHS pilot in Guy's and St Thomas's Hospital, which is sponsored by Boston Scientific, build an operational MVP for hospitals, commence our Phase 2 technology, build on our 50 affiliate contracts with partners such as Medichecks and HelloFresh, Calm and Rosetta Stone, partner with i2 Media and Research, who are affiliated with the University of London to support our R&D, and recruit a team of industry-leading experts in healthcare and technology, including board membership and expertise from the Royal Family of Bahrain. Our business model is structured to scales, as we are also in advanced discussion with major corporations within the USA and UAE to commence scaling up the app within these regions.
We have multiple revenue streams through a subscription-based model for the application, license fees for healthcare organisations and large corporations who embed Nexus within their organisation, through our in-house health coaching, training and delivery programme, through our affiliate partner programme, and monetising anonymised datasets to sell ethically to research and development companies. We are seeking investment to pin Nexus Digital Technology on the map. With funding secured, proceeds will be divided across delivering further growth in the UK and expand initial operations to the UAE. We want you to be part of our Nexus community. Join our journey in promoting happier and healthier lifestyles.